Today I'm going to show you how you can add a line chart, a bar chart, or any other chart to your Notion. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to log into our Notion account, and then what we need to do is we need to head over to a website called notion2charts.com. Once you are on notion2charts.com's homepage right here and you've created an account, you'll need to click on Connect to Notion. Once we click on Connect to Notion, that will obviously bring you to this page once you've entered in your details. And now you want to click on Select Pages. And then what you want to do is select the page that you want to do it on, or you can select your whole Notion. For me, I will just click this one for this tutorial. So allow access. And then what that will do is it will bring you to this page. From here, we need to click on Create Chart, and then once we click on Create Chart, we can then choose from all of these different charts right here. And for me, I will choose the line chart for this example. Click on Next, and then you want to search for your database, so you can then click on Refresh, and then as you can see, my database has now shown up. Click on this to select it, and then click on Next. Once we do this, you want to add in your X-axis and Y-axis. Go ahead, I will go number of items, and then I will go cost, and then we will click on Create Chart. Once you do this, you can customize it on the left hand side here, so you can change the color and things like that. But what I need to do is I need to head back to Notion and just enter some stuff into this to show you an example. So I'll be back with you in 1 second. So as you can see, I have now entered some values in on Notion, and then what I will do now is I will go back over to Notion 2 Charts, click on this, and then like I said before, you can customize this if you want to do that. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just simply going to refresh this page, and let's see what happens to the database. As you can see, we now have a perfect line chart. So what I will do is I will go over to the Get Embed link right here in the top right hand corner. Click on this, and then you can copy this link right here. Click on copy, go back over to Notion, and then what we can do now is we can paste this in, and then you want to click on Create Embed. Once we click on that, as you can see, you will be brought over to this page. If you have a dark theme, what you can do is you can come to the top right hand corner, click on dark theme, and it will change it right there. But obviously we have the light theme. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag it and drop it into this right here, and as you can see, we have a perfectly functioning line chart. So let me just go test this out. So I will go and put in another number, and then let me just put in another value. So just put in some random numbers here. And then what we can do now is we can refresh the chart. And then as you can see, it will then obviously, update. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can go ahead and add a chart to Notion. Super simple, super easy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And without further ado, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.